So, messing with the blue voodoo right now. It's that loud hissing in the background because, I don't know, a lot of game. It's great. I just put two Eminence 12 216s in my blue voodoo cab. I'm going to use them in an X pattern with both of them, so if I ever decide to play in a damn stereo rig, I got it. Using my Geo, my low-cost guitar. Cost me all $50 and like $20 pickups. Blue Voodoo is definitely not lacking in high end. The I do appreciate the change that I've gotten from just running that 12-216 or the two 12-216s in there. It definitely did bump the mid to high frequency, give it a nice, as opposed to the like kind of only peak, it kind of raised the high end a little bit, um, and gave it a little more hump there, which, in my opinion, sounds a lot better. I can't wait to try it on the other cab, which I just need to plug it in and screw it back together. But I wanted to make sure that the phasing was right on this one because they're a little bit different. The positive and negatives are backwards on the two speakers, so I just wanted to make sure that everything was going right. And then, I was like, well, fuck it. I got the crate plugged in already. I got it turned on and putting power through the thing. Why not plug it in for a little bit? So I did. That was straight in. Cheap pickups, cheap guitar, cheap head, cheap cab. Grand total, I've got under $500 right here. That's what I was playing with. So it is what it is. Probably under $400 actually. I mean, she's trusty dusty, but some cheap pickups from eBay, and paid $80 for my cab. I paid $200 for the Blue Voodoo. I paid $50 for the guitar, and yeah, like I said, I think they're like $20 for the pickups. And they're those cool Invader style ones. Floyd Rose, Super Strat. I have a thing for Hum Single Hum. I don't know why. Why don't you come swing on in over here? Hum Single Hum guitar. It's my 7 string. She just hangs here every once in a while. No, really, it's just fun times learning new knots. So she's hanging from it. I love this guitar. This one's pretty badass too. I love my Super Stratties. Hardtail, Floyd Rose, 6 string, 7 string, 27-inch scale. It's all fun. I guess we're getting a storm. Alright, guys. Peace out, hang out.